Do you know a strong homemade antibiotic without harm? If you want to eat the strongest antibiotic, or if you want to make a harmless antibiotic, don't miss this video. Some people use turmeric as a spice, but know that the mixture of turmeric with honey is the best and most precious antibiotic. When these two are combined, its ingredients become very strong anti-inflammatory and destroy pathogenic bacteria. This mixture does not cause any negative effects. On the other hand, pills and various types of purchased drugs have bad effects. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is actually a polyphenol that is essential for the body as an active substance. This substance has more than 150 therapeutic potentials, such as anti-cancer properties and anti-inflammatory properties. Mixing honey with turmeric regularly can significantly improve digestion and is good for the intestines. So you can use this combination to cure a cold. Instead of going to the pharmacy and buying different pills that have unpleasant bad effects, try using this combination. It is more effective and has no bad effects. Moreover, it is 100% natural. Use this immediately after feeling the first signs of a cold. To make this mixture, you need 100 grams of honey and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. On the first day, eat half a teaspoon of this mixture every hour. On the second day, eat half a teaspoon of the mixture every 2 hours. On the third day, use half a teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day. Keep the mixture in the mouth until it dissolves completely. 3 days after using this combination, your cold will stop.